friends, I am Said and welcome back to my channel Said. In today's related to do the BGMI gameplay comparison test between the iQOO 3 versus the iQOO 7 device. In this entire video, I'll try to talk about which phone is best for the BGMI gameplay, and I'll try to include the 4D vibrations and voice changes, and which phone has got the better kind of features and haptic feedback. Everything I'll try to discuss in this entire video, friends. So make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know more details. So finally, friends, I got my iQOO 3 hands-on device, as you can see, so which I did order for 17,000. You can check the links in description for more details. Otherwise, just follow the playlist which I created for the iQOO 3 device, so where you will get to know how I did order for the 17,000 rupees. As you can see, try to check those videos. It will be more useful for a lot of other users. So both phones I'm trying to use with the 8GB RAM variant only, friends. Is iQOO 3 which has got 8GB, and here is a iQOO 7 which also has got the 8GB, but slightly advantage in terms of the external RAM capabilities. That is a slightly advantage in this iQOO 7 device. But let's see which phone has got what type of options while playing the BGMI gameplay. That is what I'm going to show you right now in this video. So first is that, let's see, friends, which phone will be able to open the game faster. So iQOO 3, small brother, or the big brother. That is what I'm going to do it right now. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, get it go. Yes, let's see, friends, which phone. So both have their own kind of game turbo, game enlargement option, enhancement options. So which is a iQOO UI, still it's using old UI, and which is a fun touch UI in this phone. So that's only the difference between both phones. And right now I think the iQOO big brother, I think, wow, that's good. The small brother did open first, which is the Snapdragon 865 processor. That's absolutely good. Sometimes this phone tries to be outrun this iQOO 7 device. Yes, friends, sometimes even in the 4G place or Antutu benchmark test sometimes. So this is what I'm observing. But first thing is that, let's see what are the graphics options which is present between both phones. That is what I'm going to explore first. Let's see what will be there. So let me go to the settings, and here we got the graphics. Yes, finally. So now here you'll be able to see the smooth and extreme. So same options in both phones. Balanced also same options. HD also same option, as you can see. Snapdragon 870 and the Snapdragon 865, nothing much difference. Ultra HD same kind of options. Ultra HD Ultra HD Ultra, as you can see, friends, perfectly same. So everything is completely same in both phones, nothing much difference in terms of the graphics. So now let's see what are the differences can we expect between this both game enhancement options which is present. As you can see, friends, whenever you swipe, so you do get this kind of option, which is a small game tool enhancement option which is present in both phones. So here, so we will take a look at this, which is called the pressure sensitive buttons. So yes, friends, the iQOO 3 which has got the pressure sensitive buttons, which is really interesting to use on the both sides, which I did enjoy. So not only while playing this game, there's plenty of other advantages as well. I try to talk about those in the next couple of videos, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. But overall, unfortunately, in this iQOO 7 device at this moment, the 4D vibrations, it's not supported, and the voice changes is not supported in this game. So maybe in the future we might get the update which might fix this kind of things, but right now you cannot do it. Absolutely not. As you can see, friends, that's kind of really weird. There are options, but why we cannot utilize? It's only restricted to few games. That's completely annoying, friends. But because this phone is completely designed for the gamers point of view, and they cannot even provide this kind of things. So only thing is that this game is still in the beta version. That is the reason I'm slightly not getting that much of angry at this fun touch OS at this moment. But maybe with the future, with the stable updates, we might be able to get that kind of 4D vibrations as well. That is the one thing which I thought of mentioning. But right now, in this situation, the iQOO 3 has got best touch sensitive buttons, which is really interesting to use. So first, let's play some gameplay in this phone. Let me start the normal team deathmatch. I won't take much long. I just want to show you the basic gameplay only, friends, which phone has got what type of results, and the temperature as well. I'm trying to going to measure. So 36 degrees and 35 degrees, not much. 36. So tomorrow morning I have plenty of plans for this small brother. So I need to compare this iQOO 3 with the other smartphones, with the iQOO 7 particularly, in terms of the CPU throttling test and a lot of other testings which I need to do very soon. Tomorrow I'll definitely upload those kind of videos, friends, for you all. In case if you're interested, make sure to comment below. So now let's see the gaming. So obviously this iQOO, let me try to use this pressure sensitive button. As you can see, friends, reaction time. So having physical button, that makes a lot of sense rather than having this kind of thing, I would say. But something is better than nothing. In the iQOO 7 device, something is better than nothing, friends. Definitely I can definitely accept. But in terms of the vibrations, haptic feedbacks, whenever I touch this sensitive button, then I'm getting the haptic feedback. When I try to fire, I'm not getting any haptic feedback. So this is one thing to remember, friends. So as I said, slightly decrease the volume. Yes. So you don't get haptic feedbacks when you're trying to fire, but you do get haptic feedbacks when you're trying to use this sensitive buttons to fire. That's the one thing which I did notice just now. So these are the small things which I'll be trying to highlight in this video, so which will be definitely useful for most of the users as well. It's kind of really difficult kind of using. I'm getting used to this kind of usage as well, using this pressure sensitive buttons while playing, avoiding the on-screen buttons as well. So not that pro level gamer, friends. Definitely I can accept that I'm just normal gamer only. So just because of this phone reviews only, I started to play the games. As you can see, I'm trying to use the pressure sensitive buttons only. Maximum I'll try to use the pressure sensitive buttons during this time of gameplay. Maximum I'll try to use that. So let me see. So I wish they could have included some kind of physical kind of buttons. That's what, just small wish. As you can see, friends, finally the final shot is mine. That's really great. Sorry, friends, I was totally involved in playing the game. So while using the pressure sensitive buttons, that is the reason I did concentrate much on this gameplay. But overall, the pressure sensitive buttons is kind of really good. But if it has got the physical buttons, that would be really game changer, I would say. So now let's move to the next phone, which is this iQOO 7 device, so which I have been using for a pretty long time. So during this time of gameplay, I did not feel any kind of lag or delay in this iQOO 3 device, particularly Snapdragon 865. It should be really good, obviously. So let's see what will be the iQOO 7's, the big brother is here in the race. So how many kills this phone can do, that is what I'm going to test. So this is on-screen, so which I got really used to this kind of on-screen buttons now. So I did like this kind of big screen and less weight. But this one, small screen and more weight. That is a one more thing. That's not that comfortable to play the game for a long time. That is the reason, friends. That's totally bothering me. So the one thing you need to remember when you're trying to use these phones. Not bad. This and iQOO 7 has got the dual speaker setup you will be getting front and the back. That's another good advantage, dual speakers. That's, let me to mute everything.
Killing spree for the red team.
Oh shit. So in case if you want me to do the battery draining test results, definitely I can do that battery draining test very soon, as soon as possible. The battery draining between these both phones, I can do that for you all.
Reloading. Target down.
So definitely I can do that video for you all. But overall it feels really good playing in the iQOO 7 device, particularly as I said, big display and less weight than the iQOO 3 device. That is the thing which I did like in this phone. So well friends, this is the final conclusion of playing this kind of both games, and let me try to check the temperatures. Right now it's 36 degrees only, not much, so both phones are in same kind of temperature. So one thing I did not like in this phone is not having the 4D vibrations in the iQOO 7 device. Particularly I wish they could have included the 4D vibrations. And the one thing which is not good in this iQOO 3 is the weight, which I cannot do anything about this weight, particularly at this point. And there is no high refresh rate, and there is no that high touch sampling rate as well. That is the one more thing which I forgot to mention. These are the few things, friends, and thank you for watching this video. In case if you want to download this live wallpapers, make sure to check the links in description. Don't forget, friends, and don't forget to follow the playlist, which will be giving you a clear idea how each and every detail about each and every smartphone. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, see you. Bye.